Good morning, and today we're out and about on the Isle of Wight. We're going for a short walk from Niton up to the Pepperpot. So yeah, should be good. So on the walk today we have Johnny, Emily, Charlie, Liz, Jazz, Annie, Dana, another Annie, and Lucy. I forgot, and Mike.
We caught up where the cliffs kiss the sea, familiar laughs and wild scenery. Footsteps crunch on dusty trails. Time rewinds, but the bond prevails. Maps may fade, but we still know the rhythm of each other's soul. Stories spill like morning light. In every step, the world feels right. We're tracing paths where blackberries grow, catching up where the soft winds blow, laughing loud like we never paused. In this moment, nothing's lost. New places, stories blend. We're walking on with old and new friends. Sea breeze and the gulls refrain, inside jokes that still
There's the gang. Woo. Extreme close-ups. Ah. 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 Ah.
Pack your bag, it's time to roam. The open road, it calls us home. The sky is wide, the breeze it sings. 1,000 paths, a world of things. La la la, we'll keep on going. La la la.
Ice creams.
The winds are blowing. Get going.
No, it's fine. It's that I've just he's gone to get the
World's out there.
There we are.
apparently the last little bit. The Rocky Road is good.
And a rogue lolly.
Fields of green and rivers wide. Mountains whisper, come and stride. The stars will guide us night or day. Each step we take, a wordless play. La la la, the sun is rising. La la la, no compromising. Get going, boy.
So below us is Blackgang Chine amusement park. You can just hear sound of rides.
Humming softly, feet on gravel, heart so free. The world's a song, we hum along. No map, no clock, we can't go wrong. La la la, we'll keep on going. La la la, the winds are blowing. Get going, boy, don't hesitate. The world's out there, don't be late.
So there we are, we're back in Niton. So that was a lovely little walk. Sun has been shining all the time. Yeah, some lovely views of the sea. So yeah, I'll leave the route as normal. See you next time.